Presenting the Logitech G102 gaming mouse in the color black. The dimensions of this mouse are 20 by 8 by 3.5 cm and it weighs 89 grams. Its simple 6-button layout and classic gaming shape form a comfortable gamer-tested design. The colorful light sync RGB can be customized with color wave effects or patterns across 16.8 million colors to suit the gamer's playstyle, setup and mode. The primary buttons are mechanical and have durable metal springs for reliability and performance. It has an 8000 dpi gaming grade sensor that responds precisely to movements. Users can customize the sensitivity with Logitech G Hub gaming software and cycle easily through up to 5 dpi settings. The system requirements for this mouse are Windows 7 or later, Mac OS 10.11 or later, Chrome OS TM, USB port and internet access for Logitech gaming software. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.